Hi everyone, in this video I am going to explain about the stimulated reporting. What is stimulated reporting? So the method in which the healthcare professionals are encouraged to report the ADRs about the new drugs or any drugs within a limited period of time is nothing but stimulated reporting. So this method or this stimulating reporting can be done by the online reporting of the adverse events or the systematic stimulation of reporting of adverse events. But this method also have certain limitations or drawbacks, like data are often incomplete. We will not have the complete information, and whatever data is available, that is not appropriate to generate accurate incidence rate. So there are several methods to encourage the healthcare professionals to report the ADRs. Like we are changing the hospital settings, for a new product we are giving a limited time and asking them to report the ADRs, or else we are asking them to report by the online reporting system or the systematic stimulation of reporting. So all this method can be pre-designed before the drug is released into the market. We have to design the method how we are going to collect the ADRs. So whatever the advances we are doing for the reporting system, still there are certain limitations like the passive surveillance method, especially for the reporting, and we will have the incomplete information. So, during the early post marketing phase, the companies will be very active to provide the healthcare professionals with the safety information about the new drugs. And they will also encourage the healthcare professionals to provide the information about the ADRs. It may be spontaneous reports or any ADRs, whatever they are identifying, they should report it to the company or through the regulatory authorities. So, a plan can be developed before the product is launched into the market. So, how they are communicating with these healthcare professionals is they are directly mailing them or visiting their places, or they can send fax. By any of these methods, they can communicate it with the healthcare professionals. So, this stimulated adverse event monitoring in any post marketing surveillance can help the company to notify the healthcare professionals about the new therapies and ask them to provide the information about the ADRs, whatever they are suspected or identified. So, this method can also be regarded as spontaneous event reporting, because whatever the ADRs that the healthcare professionals are identified, immediately they are reporting to the company or to the regulatory authorities. But still, whatever information we are getting through this method is not accurate, and we can't give the reports based on this particular system.